Let's create a knowledge base article. Log into the Wolken instance as an admin. Click the hamburger menu on the homepage and navigate to the KB article menu. Click the Create Article button to create a new article. The article title is the main subject to be displayed in the article that is being created. The complete data to be included in the article is typed in the description box. Click the Browse button or drag and drop the file to add in the attachments. Internal notes are the information to be shared internally with the approver or reviewer. The article quality index value is calculated by providing the review after the article has been created. The AQI aids in comprehending the quality of the articles and in the potential areas for improvement. The article properties include: the article type represents the type of article created. FAQs provides frequently asked questions and their answers. User guide is a complete step-by-step document of a process. Other article types can be added based on the requirement. The validation status of the created article. Validated. Validated by the higher authorities and is ready to be published. Validated and published articles are visible to end users. Validated internally. Validated and can be viewed internally. Not validated, yet to be validated. The knowledge base provides the type of knowledge base in which the article is created. The category to which the article belongs is chosen based on the knowledge base that has been selected. The requester is the email ID of the user creating the article. Valid till represents the date and time until which the created article is valid. Once the valid date has elapsed, the article will no longer be visible to the users. The elapsed articles can be viewed in the internal KB. Source is the ticket number if the article is created based on the case. Tags are the keywords added based on the article description. The tags help in enhancing Google search engine optimization. Import templates are the predefined templates that are added to the article. The user can update the template's description. Once the necessary information in the article is filled in, the article can be sent for approval. Search for duplicates checks to see if there are any duplicates by comparing the article to the ones that have already been written. Click Save to add the article to the drafts and it can be edited when required. Click the Preview button to preview the created article. Once previewed, click the Send for Approval button to view and select the approver from the approvers list. Click the Submit button once the approvers list is selected. The creation of the KB article is completed and forwarded for review once the approvers have been chosen. Let's watch the procedures for approval in our next video.